going on, everybody? Aaron here with Attention to Detail. Just finished up our client's 2004 Lamborghini Murcielago. We did full body paint protection film with a bunch of other stuff. We powder coated the rims gloss black. We changed the tires out for the client. We put a 7-year ceramic coating on everything, all paint, trim, rims, tires, windows, everything, the whole 10 yards. Paint protection film is a 10-year warranted 8 mil thick plastic that protects from any rock chips, dings, scratches, and scrapes. So this entire Lamborghini, although it had previous rock chipping, is now absolutely protected and covered for years and years and years to come. We removed all of the existing paint protection film, and we're just finishing up for client pickup now. We've got Demetrius out here, and we've got Raphael. They're working on the exterior, just taking care of all the cracks, all the crevices, and finalizing everything. Now, the vehicle is actually a barn find, so it came in looking, well, look at a photo here, and man, was the Lamborghini just dusty and dirty and just completely covered in barn dust. And we took this from 0 to hero. The vehicle's looking awesome. Our paint protection film packages, we have a partial front paint protection film, so it is 18 to 24 inches up the hood. It matches on the 2 fenders, your full front bumper, your headlights, and your mirror caps. Then we have our full front paint protection film, which is your full hood, your full 2 fenders, your full front bumper, headlights, fog lights if applicable, and your mirror caps. Then we've got our track package, which is everything in the full front, full hood, 2 fenders, full front bumper, headlights, fog lights if applicable, mirror caps. And also we do your partial A-pillars, your partial roof. We do your rocker package, so the piece of paint that goes below the doors. We do your partial doors, so a little bit up the door, as well as door cups if need be, door edge guards, and a luggage strip on the back if need be. And then we also have our full body paint protection film, which is what this Lamborghini got. Man, this is looking phenomenal. I cannot believe just the amount of gloss and shine that this Lamborghini has. This is incredible. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you want to fill out a quote, we do all of our quoting in person. Fill out a form, just press the get quote or free quote form, and we do all of our quoting in person. We'll reach out to get you on the schedule today. Thank you so much for watching. You can also shoot me a call at 219-295-0529. Again, 219-295-0529. Our website at www.attentiontodetail.info. ATTN, the number 2, detail, DETAIL.info. Aaron, out. Thank you so much for watching.